Hare Krishna. My dear Srila Prabhupada, please accept my humble obeisances. So, today is the most auspicious day for all of us, and especially I was just on this day, I was just remembering that what offerings I should offer to the Prabhupada. So I was just focusing, and it was just today is a day where I can reflect in my life, that today is the day where I can reflect and then recollect, recommitment, and remember all these gifts. So as I'm just reflecting in my life, I was considering that what life I was living before. So just before coming to Krishna consciousness, and how I will be saved from the clutches of Maya, and I just after coming to Krishna consciousness. So on this way, just I reflecting what life I was, what are the things I was doing, and then recollecting as my what are the gifts I have got when I came to Krishna consciousness, especially safely protected, practicing Krishna consciousness in the midst of so many Vaishnavas, especially under your shelter, in the shelter of ISKCON, as your teachings in the form of your lectures, in the form of your purports, and so many your disciples, they give their association. And in Pune community, so many great devotees are there, both brahmacharis and grihasthas. As now we are recently we have started here Bhaktivedanta Research Vidyalaya. So nicely this Bhagavatam teachings, Bhagavatam understanding, we are able to understand Bhagavatam in a practical way, how to apply. So these help us to how I am just very nicely practicing in Krishna consciousness, so that in this way I am just recollecting. And also today is a day where I can recommit, as I am seeing that is yearly I am just going in Krishna consciousness. So as what commitment I have taken, how I am sincerely practicing, especially vows while chanting holy name and following regularity principle. And just you always say that accept whatever I am giving and then share it with others. So as how I am more and more committing, giving more and more commitment as in my Krishna consciousness. So I was just going through all this thing, and so in this way I understand that how I should be practiced nicely under the shelter and commit more and more. So then after behind all this thing I was just remembering what remembering that is not happen very easily, but it happens because someone has very nicely sacrificed through his whole life. So I was remembering that how your life is actually perfect example for all of us. Such a acharyas, you are such a acharya that acharya is one who has teaches from his by own example. So how you have teaches to us by through your examples. I was just going through that. So I just share some points, like the Rupa Goswami Pad has given the 64 items of devotion service, and among them most important 5 important are like association, Bhagavatam, chanting, deity services, and dham. So I was just seeing this in your life, how just you are following, you are just completely went through this. As association, you teaches us from your example that how you are very eager to associate with your spiritual master. Even when you are in grihastha, that time, how you are, whatever time you are getting, you are just going and taking his association 1 day or 2 days. We see the example of Koshi Yatra. Similarly, as and you are very eager to associate with your God brother, whichever place you are there, and helping the mission of your spiritual masters. So in this way you are very always in the perfect example of association. And Bhagavatam, whole night you are awake, reading so many Acharya's commentary, and then after reading so many Acharya's commentary, then you are giving your teachings for all of us. So these are the understanding of Bhagavatam. And chanting, how we see that how whatever time, whole day you are just chanting Hare Krishna. Sometime as a inside your heart, sometime also this chanting holy name. Devotees have shared their example, their experiences, how Prabhupada always chant holy name. And then deity worship, so many deity ISKCON temples, so many beautiful temples are there. And then your dham, in the dham you are just residing everywhere, wherever you go, so you are carrying the dham. So in this way I understand that how this you have given us practically very how this teaching very practical way, so that in our life we can be we apply in very nicely way. And you have given us all these things. So I just on this day I was just focusing on this thing, that how by the mercy of the Prabhupada and his disciples we are very nicely situated in Krishna consciousness and sincere practicing. So on this day I just beg at your lotus feet, so that please bless me, so that I can myself nicely practice Krishna consciousness, and then serve all the Vaishnavas, and whatever capacity I have, whatever I can assist in the preaching mission, and become the humble instruments in the hand of the devotees. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.